Silicon Valley is made up of 30 cities and 5 universities. A vast area makes up Silicon Valley. In fact, about 30 cities that include Cupertino, Los Gatos, Mountain View, San Jose, Sunnyvale, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, and many others. Geographically, it stretches from San Francisco to the tip of San Jose, expanding east more day. Where Silicon Valley official start and end is now more philosophical than geographical. There is an epicenter where most companies are, but others continue to move near, expanding the scope of what is referred to Silicon Valley. In addition to the cities and towns, it's the university that's produced the talent for many of the startups. Stanford University and Harvard University of the West is well known and a destination for many of that want to get into engineering. In addition to Stanford, this region also has a Northwest Polytechnic University, Carnegie Mellon University, San Jose State University, and Santa Clara University. All very much full of eager entrepreneurs, which start up plan of their own. Essentially, without Stanford, there is no Silicon Valley. As we all know, it's today, and given amount of job created in this area, I would not be surprised to see more colleges and universities pop up in near